Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You are highly welcome. Shout out to all my amazing subscribers, all my amazing members. Shout out to all my amazing members, my super duper amazing members. Shout out to all of you. So welcome to my channel. My channel consists of a lot of things. Just take a look, binge watch. I'm sure you will enjoy something there. Okay guys, so let's dive right into this meal preparation, meal eating. Okay guys, all right guys, so today we are going to be making mashed potato, sausage, vegetable and baked beans for the family. You guys know there's a lot of us in the family, so I have my mashed potato here from Iceland. Of course you can just do normal mashed potato, which is buying potato, peel it, boil it, mash it with some butter and a little bit of salt, black pepper, put cream if you want, and it becomes nice. Or you could just buy this one and save yourself the stress of mashing, cooking, peeling and mashing the potato yourself. So this is Iceland mashed potatoes. That's what we are going to be using as part of my grocery haul. You guys know I normally get mashed potatoes. Okay, so if you like grocery haul and you like cooking, you like vlogs, then you will love what I do. Okay, so check out my video if you are new to my channel. If you are not new to my channel, I'm sure you already know what I do on my channel. I do a lot of things. Okay, and then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment and let me know what you think. Consider subscribing as well and turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe. Don't forget to check out my website as well, SOPHIA'S.com. Okay, for fashion accessories, clothing, bags, shoes, African print fabric, African dresses, and also not only African clothing I also sell other type of clothing, okay, for everyone. Yeah guys, some jewelry, some pretty jewelries as well. Okay guys, so there's a lot of us that's going to be eating this mashed potato, so I'm just going to put this in the microwave. Okay, that's what I'm going to do to that microwave. And then over here, this is for the baked beans. So we'll go our baked beans. This baked beans is from Lidl. So what I do is I just put the baked beans as well in the container, in the bowl. I normally buy baked beans from Costco because they have a bigger pack there, but I haven't shopped in Costco for quite a long time. But I'm going to be buying some stuff from Costco very soon. So this is from Lidl. This baked beans is from Lidl. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to be putting 3 baked beans there because some of us, we don't like baked beans. I do, but Precious doesn't like baked beans, so that's why I don't do a lot of baked beans. I don't eat a lot of it, rather, not I don't like it. I like it, but I don't eat so much of it. But the rest of the children and my husband, they do like it. So it's mainly them you will see eating a lot of baked beans. So we are using 3 baked beans. I was going to use 4, but I think 3 is okay. Sometimes I do use 4 anyway. Okay, I think this should be okay. Well, if it's not okay, we are going to have to add 1 more to it. So that's the baked beans. So they are going to go into the microwave, but I'm going to make the mashed potato in the microwave first. So let's do that. Let's move the camera, show you guys. My microwave is over here. So this is the cover for the potato. I'm just going to cover it just a bit, not too much. I just cover it a bit like that so that it has some opening there. And and then we are going to really set it on a very high, very high heat. See, I put it for 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and stir it. Before the 15 minutes is over, I'll come back and stir it, because you have to stir it so that everything can cook thoroughly. Okay guys, I hope the microwave noise is not affecting my voice. So this is the baked beans, which I'm going to leave here for now and cover it. It has its own cover right here, so I cover that for now. And then we have our mixed vegetables, which we are going to be cooking in the pot here. I think I need to even bring so my minced vegetable, I normally just add some seasoning to it. I have seasoning to it, okay, and water, and that's all. I just had seasoning and water, and I'll put it to cook. And then over here we have some hash brown, which we are going to be putting. We are going to be putting some sausage. So this sausage is from Iceland. I'm sure you guys already know that I buy it from Iceland. Okay, it's from Iceland. So I'm going to be putting some sausage in there. So I'm going to be counting the sausage. Everybody has 3 sausage. Sometimes we just have 2. Even though I make 3, but most of the time we just have 2 and the rest is there. 1, 2. So I'm going to probably just make this for the children first. Maybe I should use a bigger tray. So I think I'm going to transfer the tray later. I use this one for the hash brown, then I use the other bigger tray for the sausage, because I'm not sure that is going to be enough. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think the tray. Okay, I think I'm going to transfer the tray because I need to put 2 more. Okay, and then I'm going to use this small tray for the hash brown. This is from Iceland as well. Everybody's going to have 2 hash brown each. Yeah guys, so let me cook this. I'm going to cook it in my cooker right here with some seasoning, like aromat seasoning, and then water. And then I'll put this in the oven. The oven is on already. Also, I'll put this in the oven. I wait for the potato to cook, then I'll do the baked beans, and then I'll serve it and show you guys, okay, when everything is cooked. Okay guys, can you guys see the potato? Microwave. I've already stirred it before, added more minutes to it, but now it's ready. I just thought I would show you guys, quick and fast. I don't have to peel the potato and be doing it myself. Just put it in the microwave, buy the one they've already done, put it in the microwave, voila. Okay, you guys can see. So now I'm going to put my baked beans in the microwave. My vegetable is cooking already. There's the baked beans, which I'm going to be putting in the microwave now. Don't cover it too much, just like that. And leave it to cook and stir it when it's done. Okay guys, so our food is ready. As you guys can see, we have a vegetable here, baked beans, mashed potatoes, some sausage over there. We have the hash brown over here, and I got some plates out to dish for everybody. You guys can see all the plates that I need to dish for. There's about how many plates? There's 6 so far, so 1 more to go. Yeah guys, so let's dish the food. Okay,
with you I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. Since you have been gone, like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you.
Okay guys, so that's our food. So you guys can see I've dished for everybody now. So we are all going to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, come and join us to eat. So that's our food, our lunch stroke dinner. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Does it look yummy? Yeah.